Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be decorating my kitchen for the fall season. And before I get started, all the items that I'm going to use to decorate my kitchen, I want to make sure that they're clean. So that's what I'm doing, just cleaning off everything that I will be using in this video. And also any links that I have will be in the description box. And I'm using Myers dish soap to clean this stuff off. This is some stuff that I had stored away, so it did have a lot of dust on it.
Better days when you're here with me, babe, 'cause you're all that I crave. So I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, 'cause I made reservations. Too many invitations.
And I'm just drying everything off, and I'm going to sit it to the side until I get ready to put it out.
Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah.
So now I'm just going to wipe down my countertops, and I'm using Myers all-purpose cleaner. This is the basil scent, and it smells really good. So I always like to use this to clean off my counters and to have my kitchen smelling really good.
I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know.
And now I'm going to dry off my counters. And what I like to do is always make sure that I have a clean slate before I start putting out any decor items. I do this all the time. Make sure I wipe everything down and then start decorating.
If you're afraid to commit, and don't call me in the middle of.
And I will be mopping my floor, so before I do that, I'm just going to sweep first. Make sure I get all the dust and any crumbs that might have fell off the countertops.
I don't wanna be that one, still a million miles from you, so I'm gonna let you go. Oh boy, if you only knew.
And to mop my floor, I use a little bleach and a cap full of Pine Sol.
Oh,
And I did purchase some under the cabinet lights, and it did come with the remote. It was a 2-pack, and I can't remember the price, but like I said, I'll put that in the description box. But in total, I do have 4. I did change out my salt and pepper shakers, so I'm going to place those right beside my cooking utensils.
How long will I let this fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me.
So I'm going to add this fall sign that I picked up from Walmart. It was $3.74, and I'm just going to place it right behind my wreath. And I did DIY this wreath. I do have the full video on that, and that will also be in the description box. I brought in this cookbook stand, and it's also a cutting board, so you can use it for 2 ways. So I decided to bring that in, and I really like it. It is wood, and you can adjust it depending on how big your book is. You can extend it out. Now I got me some ribbon, and I'm going to place it, or I'm going to tie it around the handle on the cookbook stand. If you can see it, I'm just going to loop the ribbon between that hole, and I'm going to tie it.
Too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. So we gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good tonight, and I just wanna have a good time. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You won't miss this body. Too late, oh, I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Trying to get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Gonna lead a drama, 'cause I'm too grown. Let you.
This is my cookbook. I can't remember where I bought this from. I've had this for a long time, but this is the book that I'm going to use, and it does have a lot of recipes. I've used a few of them, but it's been a while.
Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You won't miss this body. Too late, oh, I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Wait up. Wait up. Why you texting? You still wanna lay up? Nope, no thanks. I ain't coming, don't wait up.
I'm going to use this beaded placemat to place on my countertop, and this tray I'm going to sit on top of it. The tray came from Walmart.
There's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I
So I'm making a coffee station, I guess you could say that. I don't have that much counter space, so it won't be a lot going on over here. So I just did a little something.
Why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying. Make him feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down. Putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say good.
So I'm going to place these Moscow mules on this stand. And I purchased these last year. Yeah, it was about a year ago from Walmart. I don't remember the price, but I did purchase 4 of them, and I'm only using 3. I used those Moscow mules in a table setting that I did last spring, and if you would like to see that video, I'll post it in the description box.
Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real bad?
This is a candle holder, so I decided to put the hand soap inside of that just for decoration, and it fit perfect.
Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10.
Now I'm going to bring in this area rug, and usually for my kitchen I will use a runner or a square shaped one, but this one is an oval shape. It's gray and ivory, so it just pulled everything together.
2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it.
For my breakfast counter, I'm just going to add 2 placemats. These came from Home Goods. It was a set of 12, and I believe they were $12.99.